Next, my step is to make front cover and back cover. On the front cover I'm going to install magnetic snap, and on the back cover I'm going to make a pocket, just a simple pocket. So I need fabric for the cover, fabric for the pocket. I'm going to bind my pages with this fabric, and for the pocket I have chosen same fabric. And I need 2 squares of fusible interfacing for the covers. Each square is 17 by 17 centimeters. I need 2. And for the pocket I need fusible interfacing 17 by 12 centimeters. For the pocket I don't need any seam allowances here. So I have front cover. I'm going to install magnetic snap here. Here I have back cover, pocket, stiffen with fusible interfacing, no seam allowances here. And I need extra fabric for the pocket. So if the pocket is 12 by 17 centimeters, I need fabric for the pocket 14.5 by 17.5 centimeters. Like so. So let's make a pocket. Take the fabric for the pocket, place it wrong side down, cover it with the stiffened pocket, and now I'm going to stitch along the edge approximately 7 millimeters from the edge. Only now I may trim off the fabric, not the fusible interfacing but the fabric. Only from this side. Now open the pocket like so, and I need to press here with the iron. Stitch along the edge approximately 1 millimeter from the previous stitch. I need fusible web just to secure fabric to the interfacing. So when I trim off extra centimeters, there will be no bubbles, no wrinkles, like so. Now place the pocket onto the back cover. Stitch from the wrong side of the page of the back cover, approximately 7 millimeters from the edge, from here till here. When the pocket is on its place, I may square up the page. This horizontal line of the pocket will be my guide, so I will start from here. This stitch will be hidden under the binding. So the pocket is ready. Neat and clean.